God damn it. Alright, this is the one. This is the one that I meant. This is the run that we have faith in, right here. Yo, imagine Citarino is the guy that's gonna be learning this. Citarino, imagine, is the person that got me into this game. Imagine, you gotta get a new PB because Sid's gonna fucking take yours down, man. He's coming after you. Welcome to the Demo Man fam. Be well. Be well. You're gonna do 25 now? Can one of them be crazed, please? Oh wait, I think you actually already have a time for crazed. Never mind. Are you gonna do SD? Imagine, you need to tell me when you're gonna do SD, man. You need to tell me when you're gonna do SD, dude. So I can like do a quick walkthrough for you. I know you already did crazed, I forgot. I forgot you already did crazed. But let me know when you're gonna do SD so I can do like a walkthrough for you. It's a really easy game. Yeah. Because if you're gonna do SD, I'm like super hyped for that. Be well. Yeah, I mean, you have a time though, so I can't complain. You actually have a time, so I can't complain. Alright, I think we're gonna get into this room like at like 303. This has not been a great level so far. But Phoenix can save us if he gives us a good pattern. So we're gonna play it out. BRB, good luck. Alright, thanks, man.
Be well.
No worries, be well. No worries, dude, be well. Well, we're gonna be really late into this room, holy shit. 303, 304, 305, 306, 307. Oof. That is slow. That's right. Phoenix, please. Hey, that's a triple hit at the end. That was a triple hit, dude. Ask me how to replicate it. Psych, I don't know how to fucking replicate it, dude. It just fucking happens, man. Come on. Double hit. Let's go, dude. We got a double hit with a pistol, dude. Let's go.
Then the maniac attack.
A lot of times when I'm shooting like that, I'm just holding the button. When I'm climbing, I'm mashing though. Are you kidding? That was so slow. Jump, dude! Alright, doesn't matter. On Crazed, I would have died right there. Because you actually take damage from that boss. This difficulty, you do not. Alright, so fire bombs are up here. You go like this. You run all the way over here. Kill the guy. Get the bombs right there. Stand in between these two pillars. Throw two. When it gets below the ground, throw one more. Boom. Glitched. It's just like I have like a really bad time like typing out the shit that I'm trying to say. It's so much easier for me to just like explain it when I'm doing it. Sorry, dude. All right, so no guy up here. There's no guy up here, so we have to roll. Please. Yep. Okay, we're good. Usually, if there's no guy up there, it's almost always high, so you almost always want to roll there. Okay, we should be good. I'm gonna get the checkpoint. I could have made that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's alright, that was pretty good. It's pretty good.
Send a maniac to catch me.
Be well. Be well. Be well.
Man, we are really lagging right now.
Be well. 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 Be well.
Alright, this is gonna be close. This is gonna be pretty close here.
Send a maniac to catch me.
There it is.
MBK.
Pretty happy with that one.
MDK.
I think we'll keep it there. 940? Hell yeah.
MDK.